We are again near the Nissan Rogue, the second generation, and in this short video I want to show you how you open the hatch, how you open the back door in this car with some of the cool functions. So if you have this keyless entry system, and SV and maybe higher trims, you can open the hood just by putting your foot under the rear bumper. And it opens automatically. Okay, cool. After it opens, you have three options to close it. The first option, you can use your hands and just close it, right? But there are cooler options for this. You can press this button and it will close automatically. Okay, just like that. Or alternatively, you can make the same movement with your foot, and it will beep and it will close automatically. So this is how it works.